Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Apple Pay. You basically put your own credit card on file and then just use your phone. And so here's how easy it is to set up. You just go into your settings and you can type in Apple Pay. You'll find the wallet in Apple Pay and just click on that. And so as soon as it comes up, it has whatever cards you have on file. But if you're putting in one for the first time, you'll just press Add Card there, right there at the bottom. So just as an example, we'll add a card. And so you'll say whether it's a credit card or what kind of card, and it will require Face ID for verification on this. And so what's really cool is as soon as you go to add the card, it will take a picture of your card. So the camera will come up, and all you'll do is put your card in that little area there, and it can read it. It's really cool technology. Just scans it, reads it, and then it has you put in the expiration date and the verification code on the back, of course. And so to use it is very simple. All you do is walk up to the cash register. If they accept it, you double tap on the lock screen button on the right, and then you'll see this symbol come up that says hold near the reader. So I'll show you an example here of how easy it is. This was just at Carl's Jr. where they did accept Apple Pay and had the thing. So I just pressed twice on that right button. It took my Face ID to make sure it was me. And then I just held it up to the scanner here and it went right through. So very simple, very easy to use.